As a busy wedding photographer, you probably want to work as fast as possible. I'm going to show you some secret keyboard shortcuts in Fundy Designer that's going to speed everything up for you. So the first thing to realize is that usually the thing you want to do, the very first letter, is your keyboard shortcut. So, for example, I don't want to look at these yellow warnings right now because I'm busy designing, and I'll take care of those when I get ready to export for print. So I'm going to hit the W key for warnings and that will disappear. Also, I don't really want to look at the guides right now, so I'm going to hit the G key. So most of the time that first letter is the one to go to. But the key thing to remember is under the Help menu, you can go to Keyboard Shortcuts, download a PDF, print it out, and stick it on your wall. Now let me show you some other great keyboard shortcuts that you're going to love. So one of the things, just like Lightroom, your stars are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys, right? So I'm going to hit the 3 key for my 3 stars, 4 for my 4 stars, 5 for my 5 stars, etc. And then also the hearts are your F key to favorite that photo. Now let's go ahead and jump into the grid view of the image designer. And when you're pre-designing for your auto design, you can make a lot of fun choices of, for example, I want this image to be a full page spread, so I'm going to hit the P key for panorama. Or I want to group these photos together to be on the same spread, so I'm going to hit the G key. So the key thing to remember is that there are a ton of keyboard shortcuts in Fundy Designer, even in the layouts. I can change this layout simply by hitting the number keys on my keyboard and get a lot of different options. So go up to that Help menu, download the keyboard shortcuts, and memorize just a few of your favorites and get started there. So if you're already using Fundy Designer, it's time to speed up your workflow and get even faster. And if you're new to Fundy Designer, head on over to fundy.com, download the free trial, and get started.